ask for feedback.
You should reach out.
You have to be able to change.
Be curious.
Get very comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Keep an open mind.
Make sure that you get out of your comfort zone.
Ask people questions.
Take on extra work, take initiative.
Be part of the team-oriented culture.
If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you.
Tell people what you're working on.
You have to go after things yourself and take the initiative to do it.
You never know who's going to be interested or who you can help.
Push yourself to the limit.
Talk to people around you, senior people around you.
If you're not communicating what you're working on, you're in a silo, and that's where you'll stay.
Reach out to more people, network, make more connections.
Take every opportunity that you're given.
Increase your connections.
In every networking event.
Talk to people, find out about their work experiences.
Try to meet as many people as you possibly could.
Every employer recruiting session.
Networking is super important, and you can go very far with good networking skills.
Never underestimate the power one opportunity can have in creating another.
Every club that you're offered to join, you need to really get involved.
There's so many opportunities within any financial service.
Take advantage of those opportunities because you never know how they're going to pan out in the end.
You have to be extremely emotionally smart. You have to have great communication skills, and those two work together, because when you understand what your audience wants to hear, needs to hear, then you start to do a better job at speaking out or writing or whatever it may be to communicate such ideas.
You have to be able to be confident in yourself, have these skills. You can apply these skills. I want people to see that I can apply these skills.
You have mentors there that are able to kind of coach you throughout your whole experience.
If you really put your mind into something, you can achieve it. And people around you will help you achieve it.
Always play the long game, be patient, and have faith that it's going to work out.
So even though it's just co-op or if it's just part-time and it's just contract, try hard, because it'll make a difference in the long run.
Whatever you do, just try to set yourself apart from the person standing next to you.
Positivity, people, and persistence.
No one else can tell your story for you, can advocate for you better than you can.
Don't hold yourself back. Throw yourself out in the world and see where you land.
Because what they want ultimately is your growth and your personal growth.